AK machine guns, it's tour bus with 4-9. Tripping off no broke nigga, that fuck nigga get blowed down. Riding around with no sticks, nigga, these bitch niggas get rolled down.
So as you can see by the title, man, we about to have a crazy video, but it's about to be a banger, right? But no cap, man, tomorrow we going to cut some grass or something, I don't know. But listen, man, this video right here, y'all boys gotta drop a comment and a like, bro, and share it and share it and share it. Turn on your post notifications after you subscribe. You feel me? So without further ado, we out. Let's get straight to it. I muted. Tell him to hit it one time. Go tell him to hit it one time. Tell him turn it down, turn it down, turn it down.
Knock him out, you are. Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, man. You threw rocks on me, boy. What's going on, Papa? You doing all right? Y'all boys already know, man. That 5.7 is gonna let you know it's good. Yeah, Sirski.
More moments later.
All right. Yep. Boy, they got that thing smoked out, boy.
A few minutes later.
You already know we got NFL, Rick.
Gang, you know. Nobody messing with the Dodgers, man.
Ain't nobody messing with them Hemis, boy. Make sure you get on the side.
What's that?
On your side, stay on the side. Safety at all times, fellas. Catch him again. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna cap, boy. That wind about blew the phone out my hand. Oh, he coming bite. Oh yeah, man. Oh, oh, he about to cut up now. Huh? You can come over here.
Oh no! Oh no!
Slinging that thing, boy. Slinging that thing, boy. Yes, sir. He good. Stay on the side. Drop that thing, boy. Woo! Somebody put the horse in the stable. Somebody put the horse in the stable.
You could trouble me for a warm glass of shut the hell up.
Yes, sir. You're right, boy. You're right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got him. I got him. He's good. He's good. Get on that side. Yes, sir. Can't see out here, boy. Telling you can't even see out here, boy. Yes, sir. Get away, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, man. Quit playing with him, man. Alright, gang. So we done made it to our destination, man. So as you can see, man, the video is action packed, no cap. So yeah, man. Man, listen, man. Y'all boys just stay tuned. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and run them views up, but no cap. Run them views up, dog. If you don't run my views up, I'm gonna show up at your front door with the blicky. Blam. So no, man, y'all boys stay tuned for the next video. Alright, BB and gang out.